I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. Today, we're going to learn about the power of the pause. The power of the pause allows me, as a public speaker, to keep my audience with me. Comedians and rock stars use the power of the pause to build anticipation and to take their audience to a euphoric stage. A perfect demonstration of this is Michael Jackson's 1993 performance at the Super Bowl. A little trivia. In 1993, or I should say prior to 1993, there was no such thing as a Super Bowl performance. What they used to have at halftime was college bands. What happened that year was that the prior year, 1992, there was a program called In Living Color on Channel 5. And in 1992, when In Living Color gave their halftime comedic show, they stole all that audience from the Super Bowl to Fox Channel 5. The following year, guess what? The Super Bowl said, oh no, we're not going to have that happen again. Hence, they brought Michael Jackson, and the rest is history. It is a true story. All right, so let's look at Michael Jackson's 1993 performance at the Super Bowl. Now, at this point, as you can see, 1 minute 9 seconds has passed, and he has been standing in this position for the whole time. Do you see how he is building the momentum by the power of the pause? Here, he starts to take off his glasses. And watch how slowly he takes them off. And I'll stop it right there. Do you see how effectively he used the power of the pause? And that is my lesson on how you can connect emotionally and generate rewards through the power of the pause. I am Margarita Estrada. Remember, build your arsenal, break the barriers, step up and dare to be the challenger, the initiator, and the change agent that you were meant to be. Until next time, remember, connect emotionally, generate rewards.